this tutorial I'll be installing ConvertXtoDVD and also installing the K-Lite Mega Codec pack for this operating system that I'm working on at the moment. It's a Windows 7 64-bit Ultimate, so it'll be the 64-bit codec pack that I'm installing. So to start off, I'll go to Start, Computer, C Drive, Users, Admin for me, Downloads, and if we scroll down here, there it is there, 64-bit K-Lite codec pack 64-bit. Now I may already have this installed, I'm not too sure, but I'll go through the motions and anyway, run. I'll get rid of that window. And this is the first window that we get. We click Next, Next. And this is just a quick upgrade that K-Lite is doing. My internet is connected for all of this, by the way. And then that's it, I click Finish. Now to install ConvertXtoDVD, I go Start, Computer, C Drive, Users, Admin, for me again, Downloads, and there it is there, ConvertXtoDVD. Double click on that, and the application, double click on that. Any relevant links to software that I'm using in this tutorial. So we begin the setup, click Setup. OK. Next. I accept. Next. Next. Now, on this part, if you're in Europe as I am, it's PAL. If you're in the US, Canada, Japan, South America, Mexico, Caribbean, or whatever, you catch me drift or whatever, you just have to look at this. It's common sense. So for me, it's PAL. So I select PAL and then Next, 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 Install. And I click Install. Then on this window we click Next. Just X out of that, sorry. And we want to launch, so we allow it to launch because we're going to put in the serials. And here it is, so we want to select Enter key, and from that installation we just copy. We can get rid of that now, and then right click, paste, activate, and that's it, done, dusted. That's ConvertXtoDVD installed with the codecs.